What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a visual condition report starting with the front right wheel. Wheel looks amazing. Tires look good. Here on this front fender, that looks really good. I'm looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, any little imperfection that I can find. So right here, you can see some scratches in there, a little bit of wear. That A-pillar looks good. Got a couple spots here on that side mirror, but otherwise looks good. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but there is a really light spot right there. Got a gash here. Got a chip right there. The rest of that door edge looks good. Really small imperfection in the paint right there, if you can see that. Got one chip here. Looking at that wheel, looks amazing. This top looks good. I don't see any rips or tears so far. And then looking at the front end here, going across this hood on the edge, we have a rock chip here that's been touched up. A little imperfection in the paint right there. The rest of that looks amazing. Not seeing any other flaws here on the top of the hood. It looks like the only thing really that stands out the most is that rock chip right there. Now here on this fender edge, you can see some larger chips. Headlights look good. That grille looks nice. The rest of that front end looks really nice. So honestly, this is it. This rock chip right here, that's the only thing that really stands out. All right, checking out this side. We do have some scuffs right here. It looks like some sort of transfer mark. I don't think it's as bad as it looks, honestly. Kind of feels like on the surface. That wheel looks amazing. A-pillar looks good. We have a rock chip here, a rock chip there. That door edge looks nice. And making our way down the quarter panel here. That looks amazing, very clean. Wheel looks good. Checking out the top. Looks beautiful. I don't see any rips. This is nice and clear. Then the back here looks amazing as well. Those taillights look good. All the chrome looks nice. Emblems look good. I'm not seeing any flaws that stand out here on the deck lid. Chrome looks nice here on the back bumper. And then looking at the trunk, got your spare. All of this looks nice. You do have some custom speakers here and the amp. And that amp is just sitting upright. It actually lays down flat. And so it's not built in like that. It can move. All of this looks really good. And then checking out the engine bay. This battery is from 2 of 2019. Overall, this engine bay looks really good. Trying to get up close to some of this so you can see it. And then all of our vehicles get a third-party evaluation. And so we will have that listed on our website once they come out and do an inspection on this. They specialize in classics. And so they'll do interior, engine, undercarriage, the whole 9. Looking at the interior, and it looks amazing. This door panel looks awesome. I don't see any flaws that really stand out. Kick plate area looks good. These seats look amazing. I don't see any rips or tears or any imperfections. You do have a little bit of wear on the steering wheel. The centerpiece looks good. Visors look nice. This interior looks amazing. Checking out the back seats. Got a couple chips in the leather. All of this looks awesome. This door panel looks amazing. Kick plate area looks good. I don't see any flaws on these seats. Upper side of the dash looks good. Very clean.